Good morning, everybody. Welcome to session number 270. I just cannot believe that we've been meeting together for such a long time, and it's so satisfying for me to have this family of 20 odd people who come every morning ready to look at other possibilities in life. So for me, coming every morning is actually exploring new possibilities. The mind, when it gets stuck in the default mode, looks at the same thing in the same way all the time. So for me, it's an opportunity when we come here to point the spotlight on different areas we might not have been looking at, or looking at something which we have always known in a different way, so that different realities show up for us. So in Access, we say our points of view create our reality. So we have a lot of stuck point of view, a point of view which we had for a long time, creating the reality that we had, and which we were maybe very happy with, or maybe we were very not happy with the reality that we lived in. And we always tried to change everything on the outside, or at least hoped to change it. And when it didn't change, we gave up and said, well, this is the way it is, and I have to adjust and be in this, whatever I have got as my jagir, as my inheritance from the God or whoever it is. Okay. Here we say there is a possibility of creating a life that we desire. Now, there is a paradox here, actually you are creating the life that you have. This is what I've discovered, that over the years, we have been ourselves creating the life that we created. Okay. So it's very funny why we would create the life that we don't desire. But we did. So maybe we wanted to invent a game. See, when we invent a game, we don't want to play an easy game, right? So we created a game and then we started resisting our own game. How interesting is that? So once we realize that, I think then we also realize that it's possible to have a life of ease, joy, and glory. I think we can also remind ourselves that why judge something that we ourselves created? Well, a lot of people do that, they will criticize and judge their own creations. So one is we judge ourselves, right? Then which are the creations of ours that we judge? The children that we produce, our own creations. Okay, we brought them up. We've given them the sanskaras that they got. Then we criticize them. One day somebody is going to turn around and ask, I say, who made me the way I am? In fact, one of my teachers, trainers, I should call it, in a program where all the trainers were there, the guy said something. I said, hello, sir, you only trained us, no? So be careful before you start judging and criticizing. Now, somebody may ask me then, sir, what's the difference between coaching and judging? Okay. You have to coach and train people, don't you? Many of us here are coaches and trainers. So there you will evaluate without having any value judgment about someone. Okay, so-and-so is like that and so is like that. No, we are not looking at what they are. As human beings, they are wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary. What they are doing may not be all right. So we can tell them, hello, don't you think you should do it differently? Even in what they are doing, there is nothing good and bad. There are consequences. If you do things in a certain way, there are certain consequences. If you do things in a different way, there are certain consequences. Now you decide whether those consequences is something that you desire or you don't. Okay. So let's before we go on to this topic more in detail, I want to review with you what we did yesterday. I requested all of you to write down 10 things that you will do differently. And many of you did that. Most of you must have done that. And some of you gracious enough to share with us also. Okay. So the $1 million question is, you wrote down 10 things that you should do differently. How many of you have actually started doing those things differently? Or it just remained an exercise that you did in the empowering morning conversations? Sir, Kuren Saab.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Actually, yesterday, sir, after your session, I was deliberately conscious, especially about one habit which I am committed to change, that eating habit, and managing my impulses while I'm sitting and eating with the family to ensure that I don't overeat. So it happened in the afternoon also, at the dinner time also. And I managed to ensure that I follow whatsoever I had discussed and written. So I felt a difference that I got able to do that.
So you and I are like two peas in a pod, you know. We should become buddies and support each other in this endeavor. Yesterday, I also did the same thing. I was very conscious about what I ate, you know. So I ate a very limited amount of food. Wow. So let us be supporting each other. Na? Every day we'll take stock. हाँ भाई आज क्या खाया था, क्यों खाया था, कितनी आइसक्रीम खाई. Seriously. So I shall exchange some messages with you on that topic. Thank you very much for sharing. Yes, Mr. Vilas, good morning to you. Good to see you. Haven't seen you for some days now.
Yeah, good morning. Yesterday I was not there, but I listened the recording. Just one thing, like the question is what things you do differently.
Will you do differently?
Will you do differently? So differently is the thing where I got bit confused, because what I saw, what I listened is what people want to do, like waking up early or doing exercise, eating less or maintaining the diet, or what they want to do as a disciplinary action is not happening. But the question itself is that how we can do the regular things what we are doing differently. So that's where more creativity or the things of doing that same thing differently in different manner. So that is the real catch. That's what I feel. So same thing, but we have to do it differently. Not the things what we are not doing. Yeah, that might be a value addition. That might be a we are not doing the right things, but yeah, the things what we are doing, that should be done in different way.
Yeah, even the things that you're doing very well, can you do them better?
Yes.
So after listening to that recording, what have you started doing differently, my dear friend?
Well, that's an interesting question. After listening all, I really like the way Vitriol is laughing. Yeah, that is the main thing, like doing differently. So I just paused myself, like, okay, I'm just going into autonomous mode, what I'm doing the same thing, but I paused. And yeah, I've become more creative. I'm become more I just paused, but 10 to 20% I change myself in terms of presentation, or I'm just trying to implement what I supposed to improve. So I paused in my day to day, but yeah, it's not a one day affair. It will take time.
Tell me one thing that you did differently.
I told you in the presentation, I used to while in the discussion, I used to talk a lot, but listening was happening, asking the question. So the two things are implemented: asking the question and giving the real attention to the person. So these two things I implemented, because I purposefully thought I'd do differently. Rather than talking, I will ask the question and keep my mouth shut. So that's the two things I implemented.
Wow, congratulations. See,
Thank
action
you.
is where the action is. Wow, thank you very much. Go ahead, Mr. Suresh Garu.
Yes, sir. Yesterday, I have acknowledged 3 people of those who are working with me for the work they have done, and distributed sweets to them. And they themselves have come and voluntarily they have committed that they will do the maximum, sales of the insurance these 3 months, Jan, Feb, and March. I said, this is my target. What would be your share? They said, we will do this much. That is more than what I expected. Voluntarily, they said. I said, okay, fine. Please go ahead. I am there to support you.
Wonderful, wonderful. So one action you did differently is that you appreciated some people. But tell me one thing,
Acknowledged.
Suresh Kumar, isn't that something
Yes.
that you already do?
I'm doing, but these days I did not do it.
So you
again,
started something which you were doing earlier. So
yes,
what is the new thing you'll do, which you never done before? वो भी सोचो ना भाई.
definitely, sir.
Yeah, that's where more difference will be made. See what you are doing before and you stopped and now you're starting. That is not,
Yeah.
that is fine. It's good. Congratulations on that. But what else? Right?
Yeah.
Offline, I will tell you one thing which you can change. I don't want to tell in front of everybody. Okay. Yes, Priya.
Hi. So like yesterday, I started focusing on how much time my work will take. So I recently learned about 2-minute thing. So when I see, okay, the task will not take more than 2 minutes, I just finish it off fast. So this has improved my productivity.
Wow, wow. That's one good new thing that you started doing. Congratulations.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
And
let's-
also one more thing. I realized yesterday and today that my attention is somewhere else. So I need to keep that attention to me only, not to give to other person. So that is one thing I'm working on now.
attention to be in your control, not controlled by other people. That's what you're saying, correct?
Yes, correct. Thank you.
Beautiful. Thank you very much. You know, when you want to, whenever you get the desire to share about empowering morning conversations to your friends or family, tell them that these are live, daily, free coaching sessions.
I
What?
do that every time.
Yeah, live, free coaching sessions.
Yes.
Otherwise, if you have to get a session like this, you have to pay 10,000 rupees an hour. Okay, so who's next? What is that one thing that you have started doing differently? Hello. If you didn't do it, you can unmute and say, I didn't do it. But say something. The point is, yes, ready.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Really, I didn't do it. But what I written is, I want to spend more time for myself. That's what exactly I'm seriously tempting.
But you know what you have written, you will never do. You know why?
No action.
Instead of writing, I will spend more time with myself. You write a specific, no, I will spend half an hour or 1 hour for myself. Then write down when will you spend that time, in the morning or in the evening. If you write it down specifically, it is a specific command going to your brain, then you will do. Otherwise, you will simply, it's
Yes.
only, no?
I'll agree with you, sir.
Okay, who's that? Who is next? What about you, Mr. Chelaru, Mr. KP? I used to have a friend called KP Singh. So what we should call KP Garu. Correct? Where have you gone now? I'm not able to see you. Yeah, KP, your signal is very bad. We are not able to hear you.
Okay,
Now I can hear you.
okay, fine. So even I have written down, I have not implemented any of them, sir. I have to do that.
Very nice. Congratulations. This is like all of us, we buy so many books, A lot of us buy a lot of books every time we go to the bookshop, right? And then after 2 years, you realize you never read it. Or you can be like me that if you buy a book, you will not leave it until you finish it. What do you want to do? Every day you come, get some knowledge, make some pickle out of it and keep it in your alamara. Yes, sir. Mr. Ramazan.
Sir, yesterday I started reading the book which I have left for quite some time. And then this morning I got up early. So these are the two things
You had written it down?
yes.
Okay, fine. Congratulations. So KP, please do one action today. Rama, you make sure that this guy does action on what he writes down. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, otherwise you'll spend, 80,000 rupees to learn something and not practice it. And then you'll just, oh, what is the use of doing anything? Nothing works. Hello, there are certain things you have to practice, my dear.
Sure, sir. Yeah.
Girls. Kunen Saab, one more thing you remembered.
No, sir, a question coming to my mind that why I'm not able to do more things. What's stopping me? And
Okay, first of all, sorry for the interruption, sir. The moment you say I am not able to do more things, that's a lie. Because you are able, but you don't do. Samajh rahe ho na? It's not like you are not able. You are able, but you don't do it. So that's what we have to find out. When I'm able to do something, when I know I can do something, why am I not doing it? So is that the question?
yes, sir, that's the question.
Yeah. So you tell me, when you are able to do something, why are you not doing it? Is it because you are saying that I'm not able to do it? There's somewhere counter ho jata hai na intention. I want to do so many things, but I cannot do it. That but I cannot do it is a counter intention. You can
Yeah.
say, I have not done it till now. I can do many things I want to do. I have not done till now. Have I scheduled it? Ask a question. Just now I told Reddy Garu also, he wants to do time for himself. But he never scheduled that time. He never specified how much time. You getting that?
Yes, sir.
So let us look at one or two of those things which you are not doing.
And it comes in a very subtle manner without having awareness, and it get lost. So I think what I'm
Just now
getting,
I said something, did you hear it?
yeah,
What did I say?
you said that let's discuss certain
Let's
things.
look at, I said, let's look at a few of those things. So what are they?
Yeah, the one thing which I wanted to plan my day in a time box manner.
Right.
Yesterday I couldn't do this. Today I have to do
No,
it.
don't say couldn't do it. You say I did not do it. Be responsible. The moment you say I could not do it, it's like a because, no? I could not do it. You say I did not do it. So do you want to do it?
Yes, sir.
Good. Can you take out, how much time will it take for you to do it? If you do it, वो करने में कितना time लगेगा?
Maybe 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes.
Good. So what time today will you schedule 10 minutes to do this?
I will do after, as soon as the session is over, I will do it.
Okay, that's one good practice, but I would recommend another practice for you. Do it in the night.
Okay.
कि मैं सोऊंगा नहीं जब तक मेरा कल का planning नहीं हो जाएगा. It's only 10 minutes, no?
Yes.
So you have an incentive ना कि बेटा सोना है ना तो जो बोला था वो करो पहले, नहीं तो सोने की अनुमति नहीं है आपको. So see, now you realize it's only 10 minutes. So, you know, Kunal, we all conduct sessions on goal setting. You must be also conducting. You
Yes,
do
sir.
conduct goal setting sessions.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the difference between a wish and a goal?
Action.
No, specific, measurable, achievable, rational, tangible. So you need to convert it into a goal, whatever that list you made, and you'll do it aram se. But please watch the semantics, you know, what your head is saying. I could not do it. You replace it with, I did not do it. There are many things I want to do, but I'm not able to do it. Say, I don't do it. Never say I'm not able. You are able. You're able to do anything you want. There's nothing that you are not able. आप समझ रहे हैं?
Got it,
The
yeah.
person, you have no right to say that कि I'm not able. You're not an ordinary man, you see. If some kid is saying, बड़ी 11 साल का बच्चा, I'm not able, वो तो हम सुन सकते हैं. Even he is able, you know, ये बीमारी है हमारे दिमाग में. We start thinking in that way. I'm not able. You're fully able, you're fully capable, you can do anything that you choose to do, but you did not schedule it. So sometimes, you know, these things are so simple, we don't kind of consider it. Like somebody, you know, like you and I will say, कि हम कम खाएंगे. So instead of saying that, you can say, instead of eating 4 rotis, I'll eat 2 rotis. Then we might be able to do it. I tried it yesterday. The food was very tasty. I would have normally eaten 3 rotis, right? I ate only 2 rotis. I said I will eat only 2. Then I would have eaten more, but I didn't. So if we specify what we will do, I suspect that we'll be able to do it. So as we go along, now I'm your buddy, okay? On all such matters. We have this buddy system, no? What do you call them? I call them committed listener.
Accountability partners.
Yeah, I call it committed listener. I am committed to the fulfillment of what you promise. So if you fail, I fail. That's an accountability partner, a committed listener, a person who is committed to you so that you keep your promise. And if you don't keep your promise, then your committed listener has failed, not you. Hello.
Yeah, got it, sir. Thank you.
Who's responsible now for you?
You.
आगे फिर पकड़ लेना मेरे को यहाँ से, सर आपने बोला था. Thank you so much for bringing that up, because it's good for everybody to see what we are doing. All right, who else? Did you do what we had decided we would do? Hello? Yes, Mr. Acharya?
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir, yesterday I said that I will not take money or borrow money from my parents. I will earn money for myself. So I take a action, sir. I was only thinking, now I am taking action and hope I will earn really good amount of money in coming days.
Instead of that, you should ask yourself, how much am I going to earn today?
Okay, yeah. How much I am going to earn today?
हाँ, अपने आप से ये क्वेश्चन पूछोगे, बेटा तुम्हारे को माँ बाप जो पॉकेट मनी देते हैं, वो कमाने की औकात है तुम्हारे अंदर? अगर है तो करके दिखाओ.
वो तो है सर, मैं करके दिखाऊंगा.
That's right. पिताजी ने हमको एक दफा ऐसे बोला था, फिर हमने भी करके दिखाया था, तो इसके लिए मैं तुमको बोल रहा हूँ.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
हम सब गवाह हैं.
My Pitaji told me once, you know, you don't have the aukat to buy your kacha also.
Oh God.
I said, okay, I will show you. So good to challenge yourself, no? Once in a while. What's wrong with that?
Yes, nothing wrong, sir. More excitement is there when we take action.
Yeah, so whatever you have written down yesterday. So you tell me one thing. I mean, we are coming here every morning. We are so committed, right? Without fail, we get up early, put the alarm, come here, and then we learn something over here. So what happens to your commitment after that? Your commitment is only to come here, or is your committed to make a difference in your life?
It is true that it is my commitment to come here, and but I think I get fluctuate to make difference in my life, but I have to, but I get fluctuate, sir. My
Yeah.
mind gets distracted.
Yeah, that happens. Thank you very much for sharing it. And that's exactly what happens to many of us, but it's good to ask this question, right? When I'm so committed that I can get up early in the morning, schedule myself, change my other activities and come here every morning, then why am I not using this platform to really make a deep difference in my life?
Right, sir.
And then I believe that if you want to make a difference in life, you should also have some sort of a measure to recognize that now I have made a difference. How would you know that you made a difference in your life? Tell me. Number one, whatever things you've written down, if you actually do them, that would have made a big difference in your life, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the exercise for today, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. All the things that you've written down yesterday, please look at it. Okay. Please read whatever you've written down yesterday. And after reading it, you tell me if you actually do that, what difference it would make in your life. Because that will be the incentive for you to do it. No? So let's start with Rama because he's on the screen right now. So Rama, all the things that you've written down, if you do them, what difference will it make in your life?
Yeah, so the first thing is I'll be satisfied, and I'll be able to achieve more than what I'm doing right now.
Is that all? No wonder if you are not seeing that. Think of more possibilities, right? See, number one, if you are writing down, what you've written down is not anything that makes you stretch much.
Yes,
Then this is the kind of result you will get.
correct.
Okay.
But this will allow me to to do much more. The
Okay. It
confidence
will
will
give me
start.
the confidence to take on more. Is that what
Yes.
you're saying?
Yes.
Okay, great. So these are like steps. So if I fulfill one strong step, I'll get confidence to take bigger step like that.
Yeah.
Great. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Okay. Who's next? Let's talk to Mr. KP before he disappears. If you actually do all the things you have written, what difference will it make to your life, KP sir?
Definitely more satisfaction and fulfilling, sir. And I can be happy, and my stakeholders also can be happy at work and in the personal life.
So, sir, then this is everybody can say ditto, ditto, ditto for this. Everybody will say, I'll be more satisfied and I'll be more happy. That's all.
We do that for that only.
KP, on this session, you must have realized one thing by now. Then why do anything? Just sit and generate the feeling that you want. You want a feeling of satisfaction generated and say, I'm satisfied. But seriously look at that. If you actually achieve all the things that you are writing down, in what way your life is going to be different? You think about it. Don't have to answer me immediately. Yes, Suresh Garu. If you actually do all the things that you have written down, in what way your life will be different?
Yeah, I'm complete with the things which I have written. And again, it will be a blank. Again, I have to create more, and it gives me more choices. And
yeah, but what change will occur in your life if you do all the things that you have written?
I'm complete. I'm happy.
And if you are happy and complete, in what way your life will change? You're already
I'm happy. I mean, these are the things which I feel okay, they are incomplete. So I will be completing them.
And how would your life change when you do that?
When I am complete,
Suresh Garu, just listen, and this is for everybody I'm telling. When I'm asking you to write down 10 things that you will do differently, please write down the things which will make a significant impact on your life. These little things that we will do. Okay, I was not getting up early in the morning, so I will get up early in the morning. I never said thank you to someone. Now I will say thank you. I'm watching too much of TV. Now I'll watch a little bit less TV. You know, these are things that you should do anyhow. I'm talking about stuff that, and I think Vilas was also trying to point out in that direction today. If you listen to what Vilas was saying, what will you do differently which will make a significant difference to the quality of your life? I understand that you are interested in the quality of your life, are you not? Everybody is. Right? What is the life condition? Yes, Reddy Garu.
Sir, I live by choice, sir. One word.
If you do all these things that you are saying, you
Yes,
will
sir.
live by choice.
Yes, sir.
And how will that make a difference in your life? When you live by choice.
I live every moment of my life, sir. If I live by choice.
You will be more powerful. You will no longer
Yes.
be a victim in life.
Yeah.
You will be self-determined.
Yes, sir.
You will be responsible.
Yes.
You don't get to blame anybody else.
Yeah.
No more becauses in your life.
Sir.
Yes, Vilas.
Life will be more challenging because doing things differently definitely required courage, effort, and by doing that, the result will be more and the productivity on the higher side. So yeah, definitely achievements will be there, and life will become interesting because it's not the monotonous what doing the things I'm regularly the way I used to do. So yeah, it will put me on toes, and I will be more lived in the present because to change something, I have to be present and through my efforts, energies, as well as the creativity. So that I will become more creative, and life will be fulfilling another way. So I will achieve my all parameters in all the areas what I'm looking for. So it will be really interesting life.
Certainly will be. Thank you so much. And Priya, and after Priya, Sagar.
So as I've told, my productivity has increased, and
As
it has led to less conflict कि यार ये काम नहीं हुआ, वो time lag हो जाता है ना, काम पीछे हो जाता है तो वो भी नहीं हुआ. So like happy and satisfied. मेरे पास और दूसरा काम करने के लिए और time.
So you're able to have more time to do other things.
Yes.
And things are going smoothly.
And then when I pass on message, like is कम time में जल्दी message pass on कर देते तो I don't have to listen from upper management कि यार you are very late, lazy, blah blah blah. So that is there.
Okay, good. Thank you very much for sharing. Yes, Mr. Sagar.
Yes, sir. I think, sir, there are so many significant, important things that I have to do in my life, but I find myself very much comfortable where I am. I don't see the satisfaction that future hold or the desire when I accomplish the goal, but I am very much satisfied to the situation and circumstances where I am. I think I think it's became my habit to be where I am, and so there are many, sir, like many goals, but because of many goals also I am not taking action. That's another things.
Yeah, so you'll have to convert everything into actions, no? Okay, what action? Remember, there is a question which I ask you people very often, and that question is, what will I add to my life today that will help me to create a future that I desire? You know, when you add these new ways of doing things, that's what it is.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, so what will I add to my life today? In a different way of saying will be, what action will I take today so that my goal is realized? See, if your goal, suppose your goal is on the roof and you put one ladder on it, correct?
Right.
So every step of that ladder is one small action that is going to take you to your goal.
Right, sir.
So you have to take some action daily, no?
Right, sir.
So when I say, what are you going to do differently? Those are the actions you will have to take so that you reach your goals.
Right, sir.
You are not taking those actions today. For example, you said you will earn your own money.
Right, sir.
So I said, ask yourself, what will I earn today?
What will I earn today?
Yeah. Or what is the business opportunity or job or opportunity that I'm going to find today that will help me to earn the money that I want?
Right, sir.
If you ask that question, some specific action may come up.
Yes, sir.
बोलते हैं हमारे हिंदी में तेल तो तिलों से ही निकलता है ना.
Right.
So unless you do something, you're not going to get anything, right?
Right, sir.
Great. Thank you. Yes, Vilas.
Just one thought pop up. To do the things differently, then I have to work on my fears. I have to see in my profession, I'm afraid of approaching CEOs, MDs, and business owners. So I will just take action to approach them rather than the managerial level. I'm very comfortable to talk with the managers or the head of the department. But when it comes to the ladder of CEOs, MDs, and owners, so I just came. I was afraid. So to do the things differently, I will put it forward that I will approach the high net worth individuals and the business owners and the managing directors. So the fear factor has to be removed to do the things differently.
Yeah, no need to remove also. You say, I will not allow my fear to stop me.
Yeah, that will be abrupt.
अरे बार लोग कहते हैं यार मुझे हसीन दर्द दे दो, आप बोलो मुझे हसीन डर दे दो जिसे मैं गले लगा लूं. से डर तो रोक नहीं सकता है ना. अगर आप उसको बोलते हो आजा डर और आजा, जितना डर आएगा उतना एक्शन करूंगा मैं, देन के डर रोकेगा आपको? कैन इट स्टॉप यू? इट इज ओनली व्हेन यू से आई शुड नॉट बी अफ्रेड, देन इट स्टॉप्स यू. And why should you be afraid? You are also managing director of your own company.
Yeah, I don't know. It's consciously, subconsciously, the pressure.
Just remind yourself, I am an MD of a company. I talk to MDs. MDs talk to MDs. So why this MD is not talking to MD?
Absolutely.
One way of saying MD is managing director. Another way of saying MD is mentally deficient. Which one are you? You're definitely not mentally deficient, right? So then you must be managing director.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. So we've really opened up a very interesting. Okay, so coming back to yesterday, we talked about one more thing, remember? What was that? From now on, I'm going to ask you the next day so that I know that you're paying attention. What was the other thing we talked about yesterday?
Habits of givers and takers, sir.
Exactly. Now, if you want to get something, you have to be a giver or a taker.
Givers.
Right. So what habits are we going to form? One habit that makes you into a giver. One simple habit, anybody can cultivate it. And it's something which I talk about quite frequently. And I talk about that with Kunen very, very frequently. So now I've given a hint about that. Let's see who's able to make it out. Yes, Vilas.
Listening carefully.
Exactly. If I want to be a giver, I have to listen carefully. And very useful in your professional, Vilas. When you get others to talk and you listen to them, it gives you opening to fulfill their desires, which they might speak to you about. I can help you only if I know what you desire, right? So I have to listen to you. That's one habit. Believe me, all of us like to think that we listen, but we don't. Okay. I am still working on my listening. You tell me, guys, can you actually say that you are listening? Sometimes there's a time lapse in your listening. Sometimes you are listening to what you are saying to yourself, not what other is saying. Sometimes you're listening to your own interpretation about what somebody is saying, right? Most of the time you're listening to get ready to give your response to what the other person is saying. Are we really listening? So that's one habit. Vilas has very rightly said. Now, I ask you, what is the practice that you will start doing now that will make you a better listener? What is the practice that you shall start doing now that will make you a better listener?
Stop judging.
Okay. That will make you a better listener?
Yeah, like when someone says, I have already a preconceived notion about things that they are gonna say or they will be saying, तो मुझे ऐसा होता है कि यार ये तो ऐसे ही है, ये तो
Then you don't listen. Correct.
then I don't listen. So then when this comes up, I'll say कि, oh, it's a nice point of view. Let's listen to what.
Right. You know, there is another practice somebody had taught me long time back. One of the India's first forum leaders that I worked with very closely. She used to say, when people talk, imagine that gold is coming out of their mouth and you have to catch it. When somebody speaks, his gold is coming out, you'll really try to catch it, no? It's called mining for gold when somebody talks, you know? Can you do that? So Priya very rightly said, if you're busy judging, you cannot listen. What else will you have to do to start becoming a better listener?
I think so that compassion exercise we have to do more frequently. That will also help.
Yeah, because it helps you to stop judging so much. Yeah, that's a good exercise. Did you start doing it? How many of you did the compassion exercise at least once after the meeting? Thank you for reminding, Kunen.
Sorry, sir. Which one is this, sir? Compassion exercise?
Hey, Baba, he's asking which one also. I have put it on the group also. I made you do it also yesterday. Kunen, can you please remind KP sir?
Yeah,
Once-
KPG.
Oh, yeah, that one.
Yes, sir.
There is exercise given in that group. I can share with you again. So this is all about whenever you are interacting with someone, any place at home or somewhere, wherever you are. So you have to do the 5-step process.
With one person at a
With
time.
Shall I tell, sir?
Yeah, please.
Please.
The first step is that give full attention to the person and repeat to yourself that just like me, this person is seeking some happiness for his or her life. So he is like me and he is seeking happiness. The second step is as tell to yourself again, repeat to yourself that just like me, this person is trying to avoid sufferings in his or her life. And then the third step is that again repeat to yourself, tell yourself that just like me, this person has known sadness, loneliness, and despair. So this person is like me, and he's also going through the same challenges of life kind of things. And the step 4 is repeat to yourself and say that just like me, this person is seeking to fulfill his or her needs. So he's in the same journey of life like me. And the last step, the step number 5 is that just like me, this person is learning about life. So these 5 steps I did yesterday with a couple of people, sir, but I need to do more. I will do more.
It's interesting. It's simple and it's quite similar to when you look at someone and say, okay, here is a wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary human being. who deserves to be loved and respected for who they are, and they are just like me. Yeah. So you can
Yes, sir.
combine
Yes.
exercises together if you. You were not there, KP, yesterday when we told this exercise?
I logged off at around 8:25, 8:30. Not too sure, sir, whether it was done later on.
Maybe done later.
Maybe. Yeah. Sorry.
Yes, Vilas.
To giving the ear or to improve the practice of listening, I will not interrupt the person until unless he stops himself and I keep a silence. So at least whatever the person wants to speak, I will not interrupt and I will not reply for the sake of reply or the things what he's sharing. Although I know bit of it, I will not interrupt. So I will make him empty and then I will take my chance to talk.
Wonderful. That's a good practice. Yeah. Who else? Yes, Sagar.
Yes, sir. I think if we want to listen somebody, then I think giving more important to their interest, what they are talking about, to give some interest, to be passionate about them, what they are talking about, then your self-interest, then we can listen. Sir, in compassionate exercise, do we always need another person in front of us, or just we can imagine also?
You can imagine also.
Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, so two things. What habits will you now develop? So you have written down two things. What are the 5 or 10 things that you're going to do differently? And then the next one is, what habits will you develop so that you can fulfill your desires and make your life easier? So what habits are you going to change? Can you think of at least 1 or 2 significant habits? Some have already been mentioned about listening and other things.
So what habit I have to develop to listen, sir?
Yes. What habit will you develop or what habit will you change?
So I will just listen, sir. I think.
वो तो ठीक है. Not only listen. Once you listen, you can even tell them back what you understood.
Right.
You'll be quite surprised that they'll say, no, मैं ये नहीं बोला था.
Right. Yes, sir. Yeah, this happens, sir. When we talk to each other and you said like this and they say, no, I didn't say like this. You heard like this only.
Then you say again, okay, tell me again. Sorry, I didn't listen.
Okay, sir. This happened in a conversation with 2 people. So that after 2 days you come or after 1 day you come and you talk to them. Yesterday you tell me like this, and that person will say that no, I didn't tell you like this. You heard differently. So I think
at that very moment when they tell you, the moment when they tell you, that time you should repeat it back and say, okay, look here, this is what you're saying. They'll say yes or no. So जब वो repeat हो गया, तो he cannot say later on, I never said it.
Yes.
You got it?
Right, sir. I find this in this conversation, I find so hard just to listen to you, sir. Now.
Yes, Gautam ji.
Yes, I am going to be more empathetic when I'm going to listen somebody. So if I empathetic.
So just
like
do
that,
me a favor and explain to me.
like that.
Say, I don't know what is empathetic. So what will you do as an empathetic person?
When he is talking to me or discussing, I should be accept his pain, his feeling, and his agony, or what is like that. If I empathy, I will listen carefully, or I may support him if he needs any help. You told right word, that is adopt a senior person or old person is alone or like that. So that is also the society is also giver attitude. I give the lot of satisfaction to me.
Okay, very nice. Thank you so much. So keep thinking of other things that you can do. By the way, Milanji is not to be seen these days. So Neeti and Neeti, you may be able to find out what's up with him. Is he all right? Yes, Vilas.
Yeah, it's coming again listening. While listening, I will say yes, okay. At the same time, I will ask the question how, what, why. So it can elaborate the person to talk the things the way he want to convey us.
Yeah, but before that, if you just paraphrase it, tell them back what you understood.
Yes, yes.
Then they will themselves clarify, because see, also don't forget one thing. When people speak, they sometimes don't speak very clearly also.
Okay.
So when you paraphrase it back, they also realize कि अरे अरे मैंने तो I haven't spoken clearly, So they'll themselves add more data to it. So that's another good practice to do. Okay.
आज काफी दिनों बाद पूजा जी आई हैं सर, उनसे भी कुछ सुन लें।
हाँ, सुन लेते हैं। आप पूछिए उनसे।
Hi, very good morning all.
Morning.
So, sorry, I was on a trip and with no network. So I was not able to attend session for a few days.
That's all right. You can watch the videos.
Yeah. And my schedule was, initially I was doing like 5 o'clock meditation and so those things. So looking at the conversation, हमने क्या decide किया था and what new thing. So the new thing is that I am again coming back to what I created for myself. So I'm scheduling myself and acting on it.
Okay.
Apart from that, the listening thing is very, very powerful. So I'm also working on it. And the inputs, so whatever I got in this session, I'm really thankful for that.
All right. Thank you very much.
All a very happy new year, because I met you in New Year today. So
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Have a wonderful New Year.
yeah, thanks.
Okay. So anybody else wants to say something else? Yes, Acharya, quickly.
Yes, sir. I think I like to request you, sir, about one thing, sir. I really enjoy teaching yoga. So one day I really want to conduct yoga session here or something here, if possible. One day, if you are
Yeah, okay. Let the committee, we will discuss it and get back to you.
okay, sir. Thank
We'll
you.
be more than happy. One of the days you can do that.
Wow, I will be happy. We all will be happy.
How much time you require for that?
Okay, like 45 minutes or okay, minimum 30 minutes, maximum 45 minutes.
Yeah, okay. So we will discuss it. 99% you should be able to do it next week. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready for yoga always, sir.
Okay, very nice. We'll get back to you on this.
Thank you.
Okay, anybody else, anything you'd like to say or ask? Now, my request before I leave this conversation today is, right, start taking action on what we are discussing over here. At least take one action. It'll make a big difference to you. If you're having any difficulty in taking the action, get in touch with us. We'll see how we can support you. All right, so before we close today's session, I would love to request Kuldeep ji for a share. And then after that, we will request our share to say a share. Kuldeep ji, your share is awaited, sir. You'll have to unmute your audio. Yes. Go ahead. We cannot hear you.
Sir,
Yeah. Now we can hear you. Go ahead.
कहा है कि साल बदला तो क्या खास हुआ, साल बदला तो क्या खास हुआ, खुद को बदलो तो कुछ बात बने,
साल
खुद को
बदला।
बदलो तो कुछ बात बने, और सूरज चांद तारे तो वैसे ही चमकेंगे, सूरज चांद तारे तो वैसे ही चमकेंगे, तुम किसी का जीवन रोशन करो तो बात बने।
वाह 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 वाह।
क्या बात, शानदार।
And now, Mr. Kunen, we are waiting for you with bated breath.
चलिए कुछ खुशबू फूल पे हो जाए कि रात के आगोश में आ जाए अगर ख्याल उनका, रात के आगोश में आ जाए अगर ख्याल उनका, सुबह बिस्तर से भी फूलों की महक आती है।
हाय 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 हाय।
सुबह
Nice.
बिस्तर से भी फूलों की महक आती है।
Now you better translate it. Huh? A lot of people will be thinking, what is all this all about?
This is not about someone, but I'm just resonating with self. But the real meaning of the translation of this couplet is that if I am thinking about someone during the specific time frame in the night, रात के आगोश में आ जाए अगर ख्याल उनका, सुबह बिस्तर से भी फूलों की महक आती है. So even just by thinking of someone, early in the morning, I feel the presence of the person like a flower.
Wow. I get the fragrance of the flower.
Fragrance of the flower, yeah.
All right. Great. So on that note, thank you very much.
Deepak sir, here you are that flower and you are vibrating so high that you are raising vibration of everybody. And thanks for this contribution. And today you are looking saintly and very vibrant aura in white. So thanks for contributing in the life of everybody. And another is divine. The sir was saying about the self who is radiating, and वो महक हमेशा आती है और हम बाहर ढूंढते रहते हैं. So that is the key, I think.
Great. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And God bless you all.
Give a big round of applause to Deepak sir.
See you tomorrow morning. Bye.